Hi everybody, this is Wasilik, your broker at the real estate store. I'm doing a lot of flip homes right now. I'm actually on the way to a house that we bought, and I have about 3 guys working on this house. But the reason for this video is I get a lot of calls or a lot of emails, and it's from people who don't have their real estate license and they want to get into the flip homes or they want to do real estate. So the first thing I'll tell you right now is that go out and get your real estate license. Right now in California, you can take a test. There's 150 questions. If you get 105 right, poof, you're licensed. And then you can go ahead and start doing real estate. Because if you want to get into flip homes, you don't want to wing it. You want to actually get into real estate. You want to be able to work with a couple of buyers, a couple of sellers, work for a company that they actually know what they're doing. So you'll have a broker like myself or a different broker that can help you and show you the ropes. Because once you learn how to work with buyers and sellers and you see a couple of these flip homes and you get more of an idea on how this works, then you can really get into flipping houses yourself. Whether it's finding an investor, whether it's investing yourself, if you have the cash to do that. But I really encourage you, if you don't have your California real estate license, give us a call or go on the website and contact us and go for it. It's an easy test. And what I've done also is, if you go out and take the test, when you close your first transaction, I actually reimburse you for whatever it costs you to get your real estate license. So it's free. So there's no more excuses. If you love where you work, then great, stay there. But if you want to get into real estate and you need someone to help you and show you the ropes, give us a call and we'll help you get your real estate license for free. All right? So that's all I got to say about that, because if I keep talking, I'm probably going to crash, and I'll see you on the next video.